then ischemic condition will develop. Arterial damage occurs. Ischemic, arterial compression or blood flow will be compressed. So in this condition, if this condition develops, what will you do? Because the limb is going to be pale, cold, pulse is not present, severe pain, so increase pressure. So you will decrease pressure by operative procedures such as fasciotomy. Fasciotomy, okay. But you, in the initial stages, you will treat the local complication by removing all tight dressings, bandages. आप remove कर दें जो भी dressing लगी है, because mostly tight bandages applied from anywhere also can cause swelling or that will act as tourniquet, compression of the vessels. So you remove all the dressings, bandages, remove, and then you can do decompression by procedure called as fasciotomy. Fasciotomy by procedure. So compartment syndrome is common complication when fracture occurs in the proximal tibia fibula and fracture is closed. There will be accumulation of huge swelling. There will be compression on the ischemia. There will compression on the vessels and ischemic changes will develop. This is called as compartment syndrome. In the examination, you can get question of short note on compartment syndrome. जी बाबा ये न तो वाली slide stuck. So nothing. The slide was stuck. Okay. Now other local complication is gas gangrene. As word indicates, there is accumulation of gas. The organism is Clostridium welsha. Clostridium welsha. Organism is Clostridium welsha, and accumulation of gas in the tissues occurs. Why accumulation of gas occurs? Because there is injury, pinpoint injury, or if there is dirty wound and that not cleaned properly, there will be accumulation of gas inside anaerobic organism by anaerobic organisms such as Clostridium welsha. You can see this slide. The limb is and the features appear within 24 hours of injury. Intense pain, severe pain and swelling occurs. Severe pain due to gas gangrene, brownish discharge and gas formation. You see the X-ray, there is formation of the gas and characteristic smell. Once बुक्स में तो ऐसा अगर किसी ने एक मरतबा जिंदगी में ये स्मेल गैस गैंग्रीन की ली, you can't forget. Characteristic smell of gas gangrene and then toxic coma, patient died. So within 24 hours of injury, there will be intense pain, swelling, brownish discharge, gas formation, characteristic smell. How will you prevent? अगर गैस गैंग्रीन ना हो किसी को, deep wounds leave open. Don't apply stitch tightly. Deep wounds leave open. जख्म को खुला छोड़ दें, ऐसा नहीं कि उसको टाइटली स्टिच करें जैसे इंटीरियर में होते हैं. टाइट दे, स्टिच क्लोज टाइटली. So there are maximum chances of gas gangrene formation. Leave wounds open and you treat IV fluids, antibiotics, penicillin group or other, metronidazole, oxygen, debridement, or if gas gangrene is developing, you can do amputation. Because if amputation for to save the life of the patient, आपने अगर ऐसा नहीं किया तो patient may die due to septicemia. So gas gangrene is lethal complication. Lethal complication is gas gangrene. You can get question in PCQ, what is the lethal complication of fractures? That is gas gangrene. So fracture blisters can occur, and plaster source and pressure source. So fracture blisters can occur. Plaster source from the plaster, from the pressure source. This is the ring of the support that is called as Thomas splint, by which fracture femur patients are transported from here and there. And there is compression of the ring of the Thomas, causing pressure source, or blisters can also appear. Then late complications. Late complications of the fractures, these were the immediate complications: visceral, vascular, okay, gas gangrene, immediate complication. And the general complications were also immediate, 2-3 days, fat embolism, immediate, very immediate shock. Okay, then other complications, tetanus in case of open injuries, Crest syndrome by few days. Okay, then there are the late complications also can occur. What are the late complications of fracture? जो बाद में होते हैं, देर से होते हैं, महीनों के बाद, सालों के बाद. What are the related to union of the fractures? Union. Can you define union? The union of the fracture means fracture unite within the expected time of union. Expected time of union. जो भी time according to depends upon the age, depends upon the site. Upper limb fractures unite before lower limb fractures. Okay, upper limb fractures unite before, and in case of oblique fractures, these unite before, then transverse fractures. This rule is called as Perkins rule. Perkins rule. So upper limb fractures unite early, and in case of children, the fractures unite early, and in case of oblique fractures, the fractures unite early. Okay. So depending upon the union of the fractures, that union or the time of expected time may be delayed. Delayed union can occur. Why delayed union can occur? In case of segmental fracture, what is segmental fracture? Fracture at two places in the same bone. So one side can be united, other side may go in delayed union, or fracture cannot unite. Non-union. Fracture of the distal tibia not uniting. Fracture of the distal tibia. Oblique fracture not uniting. So these cases are of non-union. Fracture not uniting. Non-union means fracture not uniting. Not uniting. Absolutely no any union at the fracture site. So fracture not uniting. The fracture may unite, delayed union. So what are the precautions for these? A patient means you can apply different types of fixations. If fracture is closed and bone not uniting, then you can open the fracture site, you can freeze the fracture site, and you can ream the fracture site, and you can put the bone graft there and rigid stabilization of the fractures. Or for non-union, if bone not uniting, other also external fixators also can be applied. One is ring fixator, Russian technology, ring fixator. This type of fixator is tubular fixators, tubular, AO type of fixators, tubular. Compression is given, distraction is compression, distraction. So, other complication of the fracture is male union. Fracture unite in male position, not in correct position. Fracture unite in male position, not in. So all these things about union. Fracture unite in proper time, union. Delayed time, delayed union. Not uniting, non-union. What is Perkins rule? Perkins law. Non-union. There are again types of the non-union, hypertrophic and atrophic, depending upon the fracture site. This old lady having atrophic non-union because the fracture site is atrophied, narrow, and In this slide, and with plating tibia, there is hypertrophy. The fracture site is wide. There is presence of excessive callus at the fracture site. Hypertrophic non-union. So atrophic non-union, you can treat the atrophic non-union by freshening the ends and then by putting the bone graft and then stabilization of the fracture by intramedullary plating or intramedullary nailing. Intramedullary nailing or plating. And this type of fracture, DCP, dynamic compression plate, also can be applied in case of non-union. Hypertrophy, atrophy. Why fracture not uniting? आपने कभी सोचा है फ्रैक्चर क्यों नहीं यूनाइट होता? सारी हड्डियां जुड़ जाती हैं, कोई हड्डी न जुड़े. What is the cause of non-union of the fracture? उसके बीच में कोई सॉफ्ट टिश्यू आ जाए, सॉफ्ट टिश्यू इंटरपोजिशन, improper immobilization, fracture is improper immobilization of the fracture, soft tissue in between the fracture site. कैसे जुड़ेगा? Okay, and then there are also other causes of general causes of non-union. Agar patient is immunocompromised, patient is diabetic, uremic, hepatitis, okay, weak patient, the bone cannot unite or delayed unite. And there is other word complication, male union. The fracture unite in case of male position, not in correct position. There will be rotation, there can be shortening. So the term is called as male union. Acha, other complication is AVA. What is AVA? Avascular necrosis. Avascular necrosis. Necrosis. What is the necrosis? Necrosis. क्या है necrosis? Necrosis is the death of the tissues. Death of the tissues. What is gangrene? Gangrene, death of the tissue. What is the difference between necrosis and gangrene? Gangrene is the death of the tissues seen by open eyes, naked eyes. You can see that. This is what is gangrene. And necrosis, death of the tissues seen by microscope. Microscope से आप देखें फिर पता लगे. That is necrosis. So avascular necrosis. अगर blood supply उसका deficient हो जाए, part का, bone का, ये एक्सरे देखें. Femoral head. In case of femur neck fracture, the femoral head, देखें, totally white here. Means ischemic. Means necrosis of the femoral head. क्यों होता है? Because due to fracture neck of the femur, the blood supply of the femoral head up होनी चाहिए. What is the blood supply of femoral head? Three sources, from the medullary cavity up to the head, from the circumflex artery, from the capsule. So if fracture occurs, all these supply become disturbed. Another is scaphoid fracture. Scaphoid fracture also can go into AVL if not properly fixed. And this X-ray ankle, and in this X-ray, AVN of the talus occurs. Talus, in case of fracture of the talus, if not properly fixed, there can be chances of the AVN of the talus. अगर talus किसी को AVN हो जाए क्या होगा? AVN हो जाए, femoral head AVN हो जाए, काम कर नहीं रहा. You can replace the femoral head by prosthesis. Scaphoid का part, you can replace talus का part. So ischemic part when fully developed, diagnosis के लिए को क्या indications है? Investigations आप क्या करेंगे इसको? AVN है नहीं? एक तो radiology करें, that is evident. Other is MRI, bone scan. Okay. So other complications of the fractures. देखिए कितने कॉम्प्लिकेशंस है फ्रैक्चर्स. ऐसा नहीं कि फ्रैक्चर हो गया और जुड़ गई हड्डी और बस. नहीं, बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लिकेशंस है. फ्रॉम द डे 1 up to the years, growth disturbance can occur. Growth disturbance, because growth plate is affected. If growth plate is affected, how bone can grow? There will be affection of the growth plate. So growth disturbance can occur. If radius ulnar bone miss out, example radius ulnar bone. If one bone is fractured, growth plate is destroyed, the other bone will increase. ऐसा नहीं कि एक बोन डैमेज हो गई तो दूसरी बोन खड़ी हो जाएगी, नहीं. There will be increased normal development of the non-affected bone. The affected part, if growth plate is affected, that will be damaged. Shortening of the bone occur, rotation of the bone occur, angulation of the fracture occur. And the other complication is myositis ossificans. Myositis ossificans. What is myositis ossificans? As the word indicates, ossification of the muscle. Where it occurs, common site, DCP position, elbow. In case of elbow injuries, what happens? The people mostly do massage. So due to heavy massage, there will be ossification of the muscle tissue. You can see in this radiograph, anterior aspect of the elbow, calcified part is present. This is called myositis ossificans. कैसे diagnose करेंगे? तो swelling, number one, swelling. Number two, decreased movements of the joint. Decreased movements of the joint, myositis ossificans. Decreased movements of the joint. Then कैसे आप इसका इलाज करेंगे? What is the treatment of myositis ossificans? What is the treatment? Treatment is physiotherapy, movements of the joint, capsule Indobit, anti-inflammatory, avoid massage. Okay. Other complication of the fractures is nerve injuries. Nerve injury can, just like this, nerves can also be damaged. In case of shoulder dislocation, axillary nerve can be damaged. The patient will be unable to abduct the shoulder. In case of humerus fractures, radial nerve can be damaged. अगर रेडियल नर्व डैमेज का पेशेंट आपके सामने हो तो कैसे दिखाई देगा? There will be wrist drop. The patient will be unable to dorsiflex the wrist, and wrist drop occurs. In case of humeral fractures, radial nerve affection. In case of medial epicondyle fracture or medial condyle fracture, ulnar nerve can be damaged. Ulnar nerve कहाँ से गुजरती है? On the medial side of the elbow, and on the radial side, the radial nerve, and medial nerve कहाँ से? Anteriorly. So ulnar nerve can be damaged. What happens? Ulnar claw hand means flexion of the fourth and fifth fingers. Ulnar claw hand. दूर से पहचाना जाएगा patient. We can diagnose that patient having ulnar nerve injury. Okay. In case of median nerve, pointing index, that is sign of median nerve injury. That the median nerve supplies the flexor digitorum superficialis, flexor digitorum profundus. So what will happen? There will be affection of the flexion of the finger. Means straight index finger, that is pointing sign, and that is the sign of median nerve injury. So in case of ulnar nerve injury, intrasci muscle, ulnar nerve supplies all intrasci wasting can occur. In case of median nerve injury, the hypothenar and thenar muscles affected, thenar will be wasting. In case of femur hip dislocation, sciatic nerve will be damaged. What sciatic nerve damage? What will happen? Foot drop, wasting of the lower limb. Foot drop and wasting of the lower limb. Foot drop occurs when patient comes in front of you with foot drop. One can say that sciatic nerve damage. So all these are the complications of bones, nerve injuries, means axillary, brachial, okay, axillary nerve, median nerve, radial, ulnar, sciatic, common peroneal nerve can be damaged when fracture occurs at the neck of the fibula on the lateral side of the knee. The common peroneal nerve passes. So what will happen? Sensory loss and also motor loss. Okay. Other complications of the bone injuries, tendon lesions. The tendons may be avulsed, means in case of lesser trochanter fracture, iliopsoas muscle is attached, tendon lesion can occur. Okay. And in case of compartment syndrome, the muscles become ischemic. There will be contraction of the tendons, is flexion, hand is just like a flexed hand. Okay. Joint instability also can occur due to tendon release. Joint instability or the joint instability, ligament injury occurs, fracture occurs, the ligament injuries occur, joint becomes unstable because joint की जो ताकत है वो तो ligament से. If ligament is damaged, then joint will become unstable. In case of knee joint injury, in case of ligament cruciate damage, in case of collateral ligament injury, the patient will complain of क्या कहेगा पेशेंट कहेगा अगर एंटीरियर क्रूशिएट डैमेज सर घुटना आगे जा रहा है, वजन देता हूँ तो घुटना आगे जा रहा है, मीन्स एंटीरियर ट्रॉ टेस्ट इज पॉजिटिव, मीन्स एंटीरियर क्रूशिएट लिगामेंट इज डैमेज. So the joint stiffness common complication of the fractures. Joint stiffness, a femur fracture means joint stiff. If elbow injury near the elbow, joint stiffness of the elbow joint. So joint stiffness is common. In case of Colles fracture, fracture हो गया Colles का, there will be stiffness of the frozen because patient is keeping the arm in this way. So joint stiffness is common. Treatment of joint stiffness, physiotherapy. Algodystrophy. There is also condition of algodystrophy, complex regional pain syndrome, also called as Sudak's atrophy, characterized by painful osteoporosis of the hand. What happens if there is fracture of the Colles? Painful osteoporosis. Massage, patient do massage, and there will be Sudak atrophy. Skin will be shiny, swollen, painful osteoporosis of the hand. So treatment क्या होगा? Avoid massage, elevation, calcium supplements, mobilization, physiotherapy. Other complication is osteoarthritis. Osteo, we have time just only 5 minutes. So osteoarthritis, complication of the fractures. In case of a fracture not united in anatomical position, what will happen? The joint, there will be affection of the joint. In case of knee joint, big joint, if tibia fracture not united in correct position, there will be pressure on the condyles of the joint. The space in the joint will be decreased. So what will happen? Osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is degenerative disorder, but the joint space also can be decreased by trauma. Joint space can be decreased by trauma. बाबा सवाल जो आया था क्वेश्चंस जो आए था असां आए त 5 मिनट भले 2 मिनट आहिनि.
हाँ हाँ अच्छे तो सर आवाज
हाँ ना आवाज़
मैंने स्टूडेंट सोचे वो तो
ये केॾी महिल झटि को.
हाँ बच्चों ने क्वेश्चन आंसर
Hello students, any question? I am waiting
No,
for
sir.
question. All सब कुछ समझ लिया. Complications of the fracture सारे समझ लिए. General
सर
complications.
कौन सी बुक से पढ़ने हैं?
Book? ये तो ऑर्थोपेडिक की बुक्स हैं. इसमें से हम
सर ये ऑर्थोपेडिक्स की बुक फिर दोबारा लेनी पड़ेगी. सर
ऑर्थोपेडिक
नाम तो बताएं.
A place, APLEY, A place.
सर आप स्लाइड्स शेयर कर दीजिएगा ग्रुप पे.
भले, नो मैटर. ये शेयर तो
थैंक यू सर.
वैसे हमारा जो लेक्चर्स बनाते हैं तो वो किसी एक बुक से नहीं.
लेक्चर यूट्यूब पर क्यों अपलोड नहीं हो रहे हैं?
अच्छा वो तो राइट को बोलते हैं तो भले अपलोड करें. तो आपका जो एग्जामिनेशन का जो सिलसिला, तो ये कॉम्प्लिकेशंस ऑफ द फ्रैक्चर्स, इसमें कोई शॉर्ट नोट आ सकता है जैसे कंपार्टमेंट सिंड्रोम. बाकी बीसी के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं, गैस गैंग्रीन वाला, क्लॉस्ट्रिडियम वेल्शा वाला 2-4 बीसी के क्वेश्चन. वैसे फाइनल में आर्थोपेडिक ओनली मेन जो फोकस है वो ऑन द फ्रैक्चर्स, इन्फेक्शंस एंड एक लेक्चर ट्यूमर्स का. जो कमिंग लेक्चर है वो मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द फ्रैक्चर्स टू डिस्कस, मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द फ्रैक्चर्स एंड ट्रॉमा। खुदा हाफिज़, गुड बाय।
Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.
Allah Hafiz, sir. Take care.
टाइम को रुझाने चाहूँ तो स्लाइड शेयर करो, स्लाइड बदल शेयर करो।
सर पीपीटी भेज दीजिएगा।